You can search effectively in OpenText Content Server Smart View by choosing where to search and by refining, filtering, and sorting the results. To begin, click Search and enter your search term. You can run a simple search, which searches the entire enterprise workspace by default, or you can limit the scope of your search by selecting content to search within. Click the Command menu to select the scope of your search. Your administrator configures the available search options. You can search within a specific container by navigating to the container and searching from there. To search outside the container, click the search box and clear the Search from Here checkbox. To manage your search results, you can filter them. Click Filter to open the Refine By pane. Your administrator configures the available filters. Here, you can filter by creation date, content type, size, or file type. By default, your results will be sorted by relevance. Click the Sort By list to change what you sort by, including relevance, date, or size. Your administrator may configure additional options. Thank you for watching.